Meaning of immortality.
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 Immortality. Immortality refers to the state of being able to live forever, without ever experiencing death. This is often thought of as a desirable state, as it would allow one to continue experiencing and enjoying life for an infinite length of time. However, the pursuit of immortality has been a topic of much debate and discussion throughout history, as it raises questions about the nature of life, the purpose of existence, and the potential consequences of living indefinitely. Ultimately, the meaning of immortality is complex and multifaceted, and is subject to interpretation and philosophical inquiry.